Greetings, microscopists! This is Eric Miller, and you're watching part 12 in our series on how to purchase an electron microscope. Today is one of those things, well, you'll say, yeah, I know that, but really, it's a big deal. And that is, service is just as important as the instrument. That's right, when looking to purchase an electron microscope, 50% of your consideration should be on the instrument and the other 50% on the service. Now, I'm not talking specifically about the cost of the service agreement, although that may be a consideration. What I mean to point out is the quality and quantity of service. Like, what is the guaranteed response time? Within 1 day, 2 days, a week? How soon can someone be on site? What is the travel time? Is help 15 minutes away or 2 weeks away? You'll want to know how responsive the engineers in your area are. If you don't already have experience with them, you'll want to talk to customers who do and listen to what they say. Anyway, it doesn't matter if you've bought the most fantastically reliable microscope in the world. If it doesn't have good maintenance and support, you're going to end up in trouble. Another interesting thing to learn would be what the average length of employment of the service engineers at that company are. If it's a long time, it's likely that the engineer that's responding to your problem has a lot of experience. And if it's a short time, the opposite is true. Also, a low average employment time might also indicate that there's a lot of turnover happening in that organization, which might mean a bunch of people have just retired or something else not great is happening. That's all I got for you this time, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe and share with all your microscopy buddies. Also, definitely contact me if you're interested in having me come to your site and teach you how to use your SEM. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.